want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know it.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I am going to be getting my house back in order. I was doing laundry. I had a mess of a kitchen, like the tables, the countertops, dishes needed to be done. So I have just a ton of stuff to do. We're gonna literally clean the living room and my kitchen just in this video. I'm not going to any other spaces in the house because I needed to really focus on these two areas and really get them clean and put all this laundry away and just get my house back in order.
We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you.
Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, then you know that laundry is my absolute worst chore. I hate laundry, mainly because I have so much of it all the time and I can never, ever stay caught up. Like, there's literally only 4 people in this house, but I swear it feels like there's more sometimes. Between my daughter, her changing her clothes, my son changes his clothes a lot, my husband, everybody. It's just like so much laundry all the time. So it is the worst chore in the world. I would rather sit and do dishes all day long than to do laundry, but here lately I've been trying my hardest to keep up on it. My rule is I really like to get done with 2 loads of laundry a day, and then if I didn't do those 2 loads of laundry that day and I only got 1 done, then the next day I would try to do 3 loads of laundry. So I was trying to do that and I was doing really good for a while there, and then we ended up getting really busy at work and with dance and baseball, and there's only so many hours in the day, so it's really hard for me to constantly be doing laundry because I wasn't always here to switch it out or all that good stuff. So there are days where there's like nothing clean and I have to spend an entire weekend trying to get caught up. Those are like the exhausting days. I haven't had too many of those lately. I've been trying to keep up with it. So I don't know. What is your worst chore? Do you like to do laundry? Do you hate to do laundry? What about dishes? What do you hate doing?
Yeah, you'll be the death of me still. You're medicine. Yeah, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and head into the kitchen, and this was probably the worst room out of the two because I had a ton of dishes, and then my kitchen table was just full of stuff. I took my Christmas stuff down in my bedroom and my bathroom, and I just kind of shoved it in the kitchen because I wasn't ready to take it downstairs yet. So today I'm going to do that. That TV is still sitting there. I'm waiting for my husband to take it to our shop. We're going to end up hanging it up there in like this waiting room area that we have. And but it's still sitting there, and I keep telling him every day, let's take it to work, but it's still there. So I'm just leaving that there, not even going to touch it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take care of the table and wipe everything else down. I'm also going to fix up my little corner shelf over there just a little bit. Like I said in my last video, I'm just not ready to go like full on decorating and trying to figure out what my everyday decor is going to be, because here in just a little bit I'm going to be switching everything up for Valentine's Day, and then after Valentine's Day I'm going to be decorating for like Easter and stuff like that. So I don't know what I'm going to do in the kitchen as far as like just normal everyday decorations. So I just kind of like it the simple way right now, how I have it. I just have a couple things on this little table, and then my corner cabinet is just simple. It's just got a couple things on each little shelf, and I like it that way. I think I'm going to keep it that way for a while.
And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. See you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young, dumb, and broken when I met you that night.
I'm sorry about the lighting here. At this angle of the kitchen, because of all of our lights underneath our cabinets, it gives off this like yellow glow. I've tried to fix it, and it's just, I don't know. It's always dark whenever I go this angle. So sorry about that. It'll be fixed here in just a little bit. But all I'm doing now is I'm just wiping down the counters. I'm going to wipe down my little shelf here and put a couple things up here. Again, I'm not going crazy with decorations and stuff, because here in just a little bit, I'm going to decorate all of this for Valentine's Day. So all that will be different. I needed to put away my crock pot and my mixer. We made some cupcakes, and I made like a roast beef sort of thing or whatever for dinner the other night. So I needed to clean all that and put that away. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take care of the stove and give it a really good cleaning. And then I'm going to head over and get those dishes taken care of.
Should have known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be honesty, yeah. 'Cause you can handle emotions. See you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart and
Okay, so now I'm going to finally get these dishes all taken care of. I decided that I'm going to load the dishwasher with as much as I can, and then I'm going to hand wash the rest because I didn't want any dishes sitting out. What was left over was all my pots, so I just was able to put all the dishes and the plates and the bowls and the cups and all that kind of stuff in the dishwasher, and then just keep my pots out, which I should probably wash my pots by hand anyway, but I don't know. I just don't. I just always throw them in the dishwasher if I have room. So, But that's what I end up hand washing. And then after I hand wash everything, I'm going to clean the counter over there, like where I have all the dishes stacked up, and just rinse down the sink.
I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around. Ask if you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes down. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I'll walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna meet when the sun goes down. 'Cause you're the only one who can get me so high, so high. So high, so high. So high, so high. You are the only person in the world who can get me this high. So let's get into your car and go driving towards another town. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I'll walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna meet when the sun goes down. 'Cause you're the
So my daughter was in the kitchen with me, and she was making sure she was going to stay out of the view of the camera because one of you guys saw her in my one video where I was taking all the stuff down, all the Christmas stuff down in the kitchen, and she was sitting in the living room at on the couch, and she was eating her sour straws. And she was really enjoying those sour straws. Well, somebody ended up seeing her and commenting about it. And so she was like so embarrassed. She's like, I cannot believe you left that in there. She's like, you need to go in there and take that down, Mom. I was like, no, I'm not going to take the whole video down just because of that. But I mean, she's fine. She was laughing it all off and everything. But she's like, I'm going to make sure I'm staying over here because she was eating. She's like, I'm going to stay over here. I'm not going to have anybody see me eat again. But it was so funny. She was cracking me up.
only one who can get me so high, so high. So high, so high. So high, so high. Don't be so mysterious. You got me all delirious. 'Cause baby, I am serious. So high, I will keep you to myself, and trust me, there is no one else. No other can get me so high.
Okay, so I'm finally done doing all those dishes. I went ahead and kind of dried them off camera and put them away because I thought that was kind of boring to watch me do that. But I did dry them. I did put them away. I needed to clean the little soap stand and everything because it had some soap all over it. So I took care of that. I rinsed everything down in the sink, and then I'm just going to go and wipe down all the countertops and then make sure the rest of the appliances are clean, and then I'm going to start vacuuming.
So high, so high. So high, so high.
it for today's video. I hope that this was able to give you some motivation to get up, get going. I'm so proud of myself. I got 2 videos out in 1 week. I am trying to get back into the swing of things so I can give you guys more content and more motivation. I have a lot of stuff planned and I'm going to try to stick to it. I always say that, but something always comes up, but I'm really going to try. Next Tuesday is going to be my Valentine's Day decorate with me, so keep an eye out for that. If you don't have your little bell notification on, well, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And then if you don't have your little bell notification on, make sure you do, because then you'll be notified every single time I upload, or if I, say something on the community tab or anything like that, you'll be notified every time I upload anything. So don't forget to do that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And if you're new, also comment down below. I would like to say hi. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
A simple question, can I